Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. So today we're going to be doing another video on the RGV 250 that we bought the other week. Today we're going to be stripping it down, so yeah, let's crack on with the video. That seagull up there laughing, what's he laughing at? Come on, let's get this baby on there.
Baby on there? Oh, it doesn't weigh anything.
No, you can lift that on there, you ain't got to wheel it.
Yeah.
Well, we need a couple of boxes, don't we? Put all the bits in.
Yeah.
So we're going to take everything off so we can get down to the frame, swing arm and wheels and shocks, yeah? All this bodywork, exhausts, footrest hangers, they can all go in a box, seat, subframe, and then we just get down to it, yeah?
Let's get down to it.
So obviously you're going to have to get my hands dirty today, these hands.
Really? It's been a while.
Yeah, it's been a while. So we can't film all of it, but we'll show bits as we go,
I don't
yeah?
think you're going to get dirty.
I don't think these exhausts are even bolted on, are they? Yeah, alright, let me get a box to put stuff in and yeah, let's crack on. Oh, you've got the proper tools. This is the hammer, is it? There you go. Right, shall I start undoing all these fairings?
Yeah, whatever you can.
But remember, I'll put £3 petrol in there.
I'll have that.
I'm going to put that petrol in Frankie, alright?
Yeah, some of them are a bit seized in there. But,
yeah, look.
we'll do that.
That's one fairing off. Look at that in there, look.
Let's see.
That's not too bad, is it?
No. Got the power valve there, look.
Yeah. This is where it all starts. It's coming apart. Why don't you get a blowtorch on it and heat it up a bit?
That's what I might do.
Right, so that should come off, shouldn't it?
There we are. Look at that.
Don't
Easy
lose
as
this
that.
rubber.
No, like a modern bike.
No,
Got all those things plugged in the underneath.
Look at that.
That's it with the Suzuki.
Right, we can stick. Can you? Why don't you put your tank in your toolbox? And what you got there? Fingers. Want one?
Yeah, I love a finger.
Yeah. I remember how many I usually eat these in threes.
I bet you do.
I'll eat them in twos though now.
Yeah. I like these because they taste of fuel as well.
Well, it does if you've got fuel on your hand. It's practically in bits.
Amazing.
Right, so we've got to get these bolts out because they've got to be sent off to Owning's going to sort them out. Get the shock out. That's going to be an Owning shock, I think. Wheels off. Right, so I want to undo this fairing, don't I? Once you get into doing one of these, you're going to want one, aren't you?
I want one. I'd love one. I don't know if I'd like to restore one. I'd like to buy
just
one.
get one all nice and new. Pull that off. That's it.
There we are.
That's
The whole front. Look, that's been repaired though. Look up there.
Yeah.
And somebody was doing their household painting by the looks
Yeah, I
of
know.
it.
It looks like they used a bit of
On the brush.
in there. Yeah.
You got the other bolt.
Yeah.
Put that back in there.
Yeah, just so we don't lose it. Good thinking. I was going to say good thinking Batman, but I think you're more Alfred. I'll be Batman. Cody could be Robin. Because they're not sure about Robin, are they? This subframe can come off really, as long as we get all this stuff off. That can all come off with all that kept in it.
Well, that's taken about 10 minutes.
Yeah. Take the brakes off.
Went back through my Google history and not once did I search for floppy car.
Why did he park in the
To
corner?
upset all of you.
You have, haven't you?
Good.
We're going to
Why would you want to upset people?
You're going to come back in.
The only pleasure I get is upsetting other people. I upset you this morning, didn't I? First thing,
Why?
as
You
soon as
knew.
I drove in,
As you walked in parking, was you not thinking I better not park here?
I thought I'm going to park here and see what happens. Away.
What?
Pull that out, push that through there.
Can't you just give me a normal socket?
Alright, I'll take it home then.
You're the cameraman, you be quiet.
It's my one tool that I brought in.
What, this?
Yeah. No one else seems to be bothered to buy one.
Is it alright weather? Because I'll take Frankie home.
It's supposed to be alright, isn't it?
Well, then we're going to have to bring Frankie back in here to make sure he runs.
Make sure Frankie
He might not run again. He's been sat there for 6 months.
It hasn't been sat there 6 months, 4 months.
Frank's the start first time.
I'll try in a minute. Oh, maybe that's the only thing I should do. Drain the water out of the tank first. Release the pipe.
Stick it up there for a minute, alright?
Sweet. This thing's coming apart lovely.
But we'll get the trick of colours that we want sorted and then, yeah, we'll be able to...
I'm doing or not?
No worries, lovely, thanks for that. No. Cheers, mate. Perfect.
What they say, Liam?
Yeah, they can do it.
Yeah?
Yeah. They said that stickers and stuff will have to come off the frame. It's got the riveted frame number here as well, so I don't know if we can get that
Yeah, we'll get that
plate
off.
off.
We'll get that off.
That sticker will have to come off, but we don't need to
We've
put
got
that
a chisel, we chiseled that off.
Chisel it off. You like this, Liam? It's getting you into it.
Old shit, isn't it?
Oh,
I mean, old shit. Cheeky
Oh.
sod.
when this is done, Liam, you're gonna
Yeah, when it's done, I love it.
look at that.
He is. That's some weight, isn't
That's
it?
some weights. There's going to be some weight saving
that.
alone, isn't it? Look at that
Like drag
now.
bike now, isn't it?
It's RuPaul's drag bike.
Right,
you know
put these back
RuPaul?
in then.
Do you know RuPaul?
Yeah, I've heard of him.
Do you like him?
No, let's get the...
I found Dream Machine, so I'm done. There you go, it's Dream Machine.
Dream Machine. Let's just sort the Dream Machine out and then we're done, Liam. Right. So, Dream Machine is what? How much?
11.50 plus the VAT.
11.50. That's
6 weeks
That sounds
turnaround.
6 weeks turnaround. That's perfect. Depending on how long it takes Tyga to get all these bits.
Yes,
they've not
I'll
even-
chase them up.
they've
I'll
not
send him
even-
another email 'cause he hasn't come back to me yet.
I've seen Liam dress when he goes out. I trust his judgment, you know. He's got style about
He does
him.
look stylish.
You know.
I saw him at the party and he looked like he's James Bond.
Talking of parties, we've got a couple of parties coming up.
Have we?
James Bond parties.
Looks like already, doesn't it? But you can pick this up.
I'm looking forward to the race. I'm on a 50-year-old
There's
H2.
your
I was
fast.
hoping for no lanes at all.
We'll see.
Who's having it for just straight?
Should we get the water out then?
Yeah, let's get the water out.
You
Well,
might
don't put the
might
indicators
well
on
take
her.
ownership, right?
Lucy, look at her weight. Look what she's done to the wall.
Oh, no.
Oh, she's been
no,
putting
no.
on too much weight, girl. You know, blowing up.
I just wanted to sit down.
Right, so that's the radiator off. Gonna get the exhaust off. Drop all the faults and that out. Gonna take the airbox off. Drop the engine out. My burger, thanks, Liz.
Oh, very well.
Look at that. Well, I'll tell you what I've got. Look at that.
What you got?
Look at that.
Wow.
That's one out. So I suppose now, should we try and get these things out?
Yeah.
Because they're both a little bit.
Fucked anyway.
So the other bits have got to get chain and sprocket and brake discs. Airbox.
I don't want penetrative sex. Yeah. What? Yeah. Oh, you got that? You got that on film, have you? I said, well, I'll go and have a gin and tonic then instead.
Looks good.
Thank you. Right, let's have a tidy up because
We'll
after this, we don't need any more tools,
No.
do we?
No. How is that engine? Heavy or not?
It's heavy, yeah.
For you, it's not.
Getting heavier and heavier. Right, you
Right.
got the frame.
I got the frame.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
The engine's out, baby.
Go on, look. Put this on.
No, we lift the whole lot.
Look at that. Oh no, I'm all wet. Engine's out, look at that.
Thanks, Liam.
Thanks, Liam.
Right, now we can put some pedals on it and you've got yourself a bicycle.
Yeah, look at this rear disc. Feel that rear disc. It's like
Oh,
a
have you got a
record.
needle? Yeah, well, I was going to put that
I
down
wonder
and
what
see what song it
I wonder
plays.
what song it plays.
I'll lift it if you get those out, Liam. Right. Could we make it a bit higher for me?
Yeah.
Just pull it out, Cody.
Pull it.
Pull it out. Come on.
Baby,
Like
come
with your grandmother.
Come on, baby, you know. I think he's quite enjoyed working today, you know.
It's a change, yeah.
It's been an argument to see what's going on.
Doing some work. It's been a change.
He usually finishes at 1,
I'm normally asleep by 2.
and that's what it's resulted to. Look, box of nuts. So we've got, that's all the bits we're keeping and reusing maybe. That's all the fairing and stuff that we don't need. There's the exhaust we don't need. There's the wheels. There's the engine, tank, forks, yoke, handlebars. Yeah, baby.
Just stiff.
That's it then.
Got rhythm. What did you think of that? Nice?
I enjoyed that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really nice.
So this is for Liam's KTM.
Nice.
We've got to get Frankie back up and running. Look, just got it out. Just got it out from the storage for the winter. And it's a little bit rusty in places.
Get that battery on charge, bro.
Oh yeah, as soon as I get them wheels out of the way. Right, so there's the frame, swing arm, ready to be powder coated. Bolts and shock, ready to go off and have, well, that's going to be an O-ring shock. O-rings internal. We've just got to get these off of here, the discs and tyres. They're ready to go off. So should we try and get that disc off there when it's in there?
Yeah. Try it.
Yes.
There you are.
That's it. All in bits.
I'll make my own upstairs.
Mate. It's a pancake, don't they?
Yeah.
Having proper pancake.
They're proper pancakes.
No, they're not proper pancakes.
No, they
Not
are.
what
They're
big ones.
American ones, aren't
These
they?
are American ones. No, we don't want damp pancakes.
What's it? Lucy's taking care of us today. What are you having on that?
Just a bit of maple syrup. Just fold it up.
How are they?
You're having lemon on it.
Yeah, a lot of people have lemon.
Yeah, but you have lemon and sugar, don't you?
Yeah, I've got first.
I need a bit of Lucy, do you want to mother me and put a bit of chocolate on there?
Put it all over it.
More.
More?
All over that, all over my hand.
Do you say more?
Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. We'll see ya.
Having sex with it.
Right, let's try it then, shall we? Be nice.
Look, Ernie's got brown fingers.
Same old thing.
I know, nothing, some things never change. We're just going to eat pancakes all day today.
Just chuck the shop.
We're just eat all different pancakes.
Might put pancakes in the middle.
Cody needs a cigarette now.
He's like a cat after he's eaten. Look, he's licking his elbows, his legs, up his towel. That was nice.
Well done, Luce.
We'll make round two.
Yeah, so that's the RGV 250, all stripped down and ready to go. We've got loads of bits to go on this bike. We're getting loads of bits painted and different stuff. And I've also bought another bike, but maybe that will be in the next video. But as always, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching.
Nice. Should we get the Oreos for Cody? Nice shot.
Did that one go in?
Yeah, went in my shoe. Try again.
What's the worst thing you ever found in your shoe? That one?
Yeah.
Could
Gosh,
find a
I've been asked
tarantula,
that
scorpion, snake.
None of that yet, no.
How are you with animals, wild animals? Do you like them?
I
If suddenly a
think
snake come through, what would you do?
I see a snake every day.
You talking about when you go to the toilet? No, but if you was just here talking and suddenly a snake run past, would you?
If it ran past, I'd be shocked. It depends on the snake.
You see it out of the corner of your eye.
Alright, if it was a grass snake, I wouldn't be shocked. But if it was an anaconda,
What's things that bite you in England?
well, they have grass snakes, don't they? Look at that badge here.
I know that.
Proud of that badge.
What does it say? My eyes are blurry. Does it say ferret?
Ferret.
What does it say? Oh yeah, merit. Well, that's really blurry for my eyes.
Really?
I have trouble with colour and stuff. Right.
And vision.
Yeah, and vision. If I go to a restaurant
Yeah.
and you open the menu and it's a colour background or colour writing, I had to get my light out. Oh, I did it the other night in the India. Didn't I? I had to get my torch out and like look at it because I
Yeah,
can't
but
see.
restaurants are dimly lit, aren't they?
Yeah, but
You
people
don't
think
kinda-
I'm blind then, don't they?
Everyone thinks so. They've all mentioned it to me.
Yeah. There was a snake once in my garage. Standing there and I could hear it hissing.
Yeah. Oh, he's probably
Yeah.
pissed off then.
What sort of snake would that be? Grass snake, do they bite?
They bite, but it doesn't. It
Well,
won't
I
kill
don't
you.
want to be bitten by one though, do I? What if there's a wild fox in here now? How would you feel about that?
I'd shut the door.
What if it was in here with you?
Yeah. I'd coax it into the cupboard and shut the cupboard. I love the snake stories anyway.
Well, I ain't told you the snake story yet. When I lived in France, Fulpy was over with his boy. They went off my mum's fella, Manolo. They went off.
Manolo.
He'd catch a fish with his hands, you know, tickle them under the fucking
What, Manolo
hands.
would?
Yeah. And then after an hour or so, they come back. His boy looked like shocked. When Manolo's got his snake, we was in France, about this big. What the fuck's that? He said, is that dangerous? He went, no, it's not dangerous no more. What do you mean no more? He went, well, I pulled his teeth out.
He's still around then, Manolo?
Yeah, oh yeah.
And what's he doing now? Is he
Wild boar hunting.
trapping bears or something?
Wild boar hunting with bow and arrows and stuff.
This is some guy.
He talks no language but his own.
Does he talk to the animals?
He's a bit like, what's his name? Crocodile Dundee.
Wow.
Yeah.
What does he actually do for a living, or is this just...
Makes wine.
Does he?
Snake wine.